Come and collect the remote.
What happened?
He hit the remote on my head.
Mama, I didn't.
Hey! Do you want to keep my friend's child? Ojo, this is your last warning. If you touch her or call her names one more time, you will see what I will do to you. Come on, go and wash the dishes. Sorry, my dear.
And if you never know this, you better know it now. With your mama Ojo, and there is no peace. Now Allah, with the very big drama. But waiting consign Ojo,
5 minutes later.
Every day na drama, every day na palava.
What? Are you mad? Wait.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
Congratulations, my sister. A bossy baby boy. I am so proud of you. I'll be there in 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. Ojo, I'm going to see a friend of mine who just gave birth. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Make sure you do everything I told you to do before I come back. And make sure you take care of Gloria.
What?
Gloria, I'll be back soon, okay? If you want anything, tell Ojo to get it for you, okay?
Okay, ma.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey!
If your name is Gloria, change the station. I thought as much. Come on, we can get me bread and make tea for me.
Do you want honey?
Add a lot.
Okay.
Hey! Apostle will hear of this. You know you can be prosecuted for that. Bá mi.
What did you put inside?
But you said I should put honey.
What kind of honey is that?
Maybe the honey has expired.
Are you telling me the truth?
And if you never know this, you better know it now.
Later that
With
same
Mama
evening.
Ojo, and there is no peace. Now Allah, with the very big drama.
Take these clothes and iron every single one of them.
But these are your mom's clothes.
And so, I give you just 30 minutes. If I come back here and you have not ironed them, I will iron your brain.
I didn't take me.
A few moments later.
What's burning?
Why didn't you tell me the iron bones clothes?
Why did I tell you the iron bones clothes? Oh my God, what have I done? You bought my mom's favorite clothes.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
You have killed me. Oh my God, my mom will kill me. Come on, get out of this room. Go and clean the living room.
And if you never know this,
A
you
few
better know
minutes
it
later.
now. With your Mama Ojo, and there is no peace. Now Allah, with the very big drama. But waiting consign Ojo, you go still cause your why. Every day na drama, every day na palava, every day na drama.
What's happening to the TV? You used mouthwash to clean the TV. Ah! Hey! This girl has killed me. What will I tell my mom? I'm going to tell her how you use mouthwash to clean the TV and spot it.
Please.
Don't please me. You eat lions for breakfast, right? No problem.
$12 midnight.
Jesus is Lord. You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Morning.
And if you never know this, you better know it now. With your Mama Ojo, and there is no peace. Now Allah, with the very big drama. But waiting consign Ojo, you go still cause your why. Every day na drama, every day na palava, every day na drama, every day wahala.
Your mom is back. Wake up. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
So you can't talk.
He has not even said anything to me since we left.
Don't mind him. Hope everything was fine when I left.
Yes, ma, but he
What did he do?
He spoiled the TV.
He spoiled which TV? Ojo, you spoiled my TV.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Do you know how much I bought this TV?
Mommy! My baby girl!
Mama Ojo, good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
Thank you for the hospitality. I'm really grateful.